Human physiology is pretty interesting, and our stomach itself is home to nearly 100 trillion gut bacteria, which are much higher than the total number of body cells, which are around 30 to 40 trillion in our body. Now, these microbial cells or gut bacteria which are present in our stomach are very important because they release certain kind of metabolites which affect not only our metabolism but also brain, mood, immunity and digestive system. And if we look onto the culture in the gut, we would see that there are diverse bacteria which are found, which varies from Acinetobacter, Protobacter, Firmicutes and bacteroides. So there has been a wide variety of bacteria which are seen. Now if we talk about the traditional methods we were doing so far, there were lots of data and there were huge amount of inconsistency, but with the recent AI which is VBay, now with the VBay which has been used, we are able to have better accuracy with the predictions. So these predictions have been coming up with sleep disorders, obesity research and oncology research. Now with what happens here is the complex data gets the input, then there is AI which identifies the key signal and finally gives the insight as to what would be the correct personalized treatment for individual person. Now it is mainly for the diet, mainly for the probiotics, and this personalized treatment would be far more accurate than the present studies, because as we have seen, the consistency or the accuracy through the traditional method lies somewhere around 40 to 50%. However, through the VBay AI systems, it is somewhere around 90%. So a very important development. Now this has been done by University of Tokyo to study the gut microbes. We would be covering many such interesting studies in the upcoming session, and of course these are highly important for your upcoming examination and prelims. So stay tuned. Thanks for joining.